Hey everyone, welcome back to Codicep. This is our day 13 of 365 days of coding challenge. Today, we have got an interesting problem to solve using Python. Before this, I have a question for you. Have you ever been annoyed by spam calls? Well, in this problem, our friend Varun certainly has. He's been bothered by scammers or spammers calling from numbers that are always smaller than his own. Today, we are going to write a simple Python script to help Varun identify if a given number belongs to these pesky scammers. Alright, let's dive into the problem. So, Varun's mobile number is this, and spammer always call him from a number that is smaller than his number. And what we need to do, we need to write a Python script that takes a mobile number as input and tells us whether it belongs to spammer or not. So we need to output true or false. Here I have wrote down the steps which we will follow to solve this problem. First, we will take the given mobile number as input. So this will be the spammer's mobile number. Now in the second step, we will compare it with Varun's mobile number. And if the given number is smaller, means it belongs to spammer. In that scenario, we will output true. Otherwise, we will output false. So let's write a code for this. Okay, so we have wrote this code. Now what we are doing here is we are taking a mobile number as input from Varun in a variable given number, and then we are comparing this given number with Varun's number. If the given number is less than Varun's number, then we will print true, otherwise we will print false. So let's run this and try to give a number. So let's see what input our problem is giving. So this is our input. So let's copy this and paste it here. And what should be the output? The output should be false. And we are getting this false output. So our approach is correct. But you know what? We can make this even simpler and more elegant in the optimized solution, of course. So let's change this approach to optimized solution. Okay, let's change the heading. Okay, so what improvement we can make here is we can directly do this comparison in the result, and we can remove this if else block. So what I am saying is, let me write it here. So we can write given underscore number, and we can say integer input. Here Varun will give the mobile number, and then we can print given underscore number and we can compare it with Varun's number, that is this. And let's run our code. Let's give this input 99999 बहुत सारे 9 and see, we are getting the same output. And there you have it, a straightforward Python script to help Varun identify those spam numbers. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more coding challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.